Hello, my name is Ioannis Dizoglou. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to basically create a function which uses absolute cell referencing. We're also going to find out why we should use absolute cell referencing. Now, I've got on the rates, I have tax here, 20%, and I would like to use this to basically display on the payroll next to it how much basically is the 20% of all the pay, net pay. So I'm just going to create a new row here, and I'm just going to call it VAT. I want to basically calculate automatically what is the percentage, the 20% of these figures, these values. So what I need to do is type the equals sign. Then I'm going to select this value, and I'm going to multiply. I'm going to put an asterisk. I'm going to multiply this by the rate, which is here, 20%, and press the Enter key on my keyboard. And I know now that this works fine because I put here £1,000. The 20% of £1,000 is £200. Now, if I click and drag now to replicate my formula, I've got a problem. The problem is every time basically I'm going down, the value changes from C15 now. I go to C16, C17, C18, and so on and so forth. I don't want this number to change. I need to use absolute self-referencing. And to do this, what I will need to do is select the first value here. And after the letter C, I'm just going to put the $sign and press the Enter key. Now, if I basically click here, click and drag to replicate the formula, I know that my formula now is applied to all the cells correctly. So if I change this value to 1000, I should see 200. If I change this value to 100, I should see £20. If I change this to 10, I should see £2. So I know that my function now is fully working. And this is how basically important it is to know how to apply absolute cell referencing. Alright. Another way to do it is if I press the escape key, instead of actually calling the C12 here, what I could actually do here, I could call a cell called my VAT. And if I highlight now this text and copy that and press the Enter key, at the moment it shows you that's an error. If I go now to the chart, to the rates, and select this cell here, and right click here, oops, let's delete C12. I'm going to Control and V to paste my VAT, press the Enter key. So every time basically I call my VAT, I'm referring to this particular cell. So this is another way to do absolute self-referencing as well. So if I go here now, as you can see here, I'm calling my VAT and it no longer shows error. So if I click and drag now, I will be able to actually see that all the cells contain my VAT. So I have basically specified the name of this particular cell. I hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will be able to apply this new functionality onto your projects. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.